Y'all, this is a new company that I have not tried. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but I'm a little surprised. I'm a little pleasantly surprised with this one.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Ruffling feathers, I'm muscling better than ever, whenever, whatever the weather. Replying the pressure, I know that I stretch in my mind in the sky. I reside in the pleasure. You lie in my eyes and deny all my effort. Disguise our demise, we've been lost in the desert. Hearing the cries that is said in the desperate. Defeated you, I've been dishonored my temper. Passive aggressive, massive expressive, impressive progressive. I stress with the best of obsessive depressors and work with the mess of oppressive possessors that I just confess. Plus beyond measure, confined to a desk. I've been minding my treasure with fears of forever. When days turn to nights while I drown in endeavors. However, I'm never declining the pressure. Get it together, you're just a pretender. You never been clever, we know what it is. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Down for whatever, I never been better, and I live forever, cause I never quit. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. You must forgot I'm about you a dub, shaking it fast in the back of the club. Looking for love, giving it up. No TLC, but you know you a scrub. They throw the money, you crawl on the floor. Breaking them once while you begging for more. Taking the bonds, I could've swore. Making them come for you, makes you a whore. But you just call it a toll. You can't afford to be paying at doors. Waiting in lines, not anymore. You can't afford anything that you pour. Late to the party, Bacardi galore. Hate from the lobby, your hobby's a bore. Messy and sloppy, embody a body that looks like an auntie, you're so insecure. Get it together, you're just a pretender. You never been clever, we know what it is. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit. Down for whatever, I never been better, and I live forever, cause I never quit. I am the truth, I am a gift, I am the proof, I am legit.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, I'm coming to you guys with something a little bit different, y'all. This is a company that I have not tried. I haven't heard of them. This is my first time trying them. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever heard of this company or tried any of their units out, honey. So this company is going to be called Laude & Co. I'm wearing this one in the style UGL001 Elisabeth in the color HL613/627. So let's just pop right in the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come surprisingly pretty pre-plugged. It does come with 13x5 HD lace parting space. It does come with baby hairs, and it does also come, y'all, with this double-lined lace. So y'all know I did have to go in and cut that bad boy out because it was not doing justice. I don't know why these companies still keep doing the double-lined lace, the full scalp. Give it a bit. So it does come with that double-lined lace. Definitely note that. In my opinion, it made it look so harsh, so fake. So I just went in and cut that bad boy out. Let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. So I feel like the hairline is not the most plucked, but it is definitely pretty workable. Now let's just talk honestly about this cap size, though, honey. This cap size is on the very much small size. I would say even if you have a medium sized head like myself, it's going to be right on the edge for you. If you have a larger size head, no, honey, do not pick this unit up. This is definitely geared more towards people on a small to medium sized head, so definitely keep that in mind. Now this unit is listed as heat safe. It doesn't say up to what degree, so just to be on the safe side, I would stick on leaving your heat settings on a lower setting so you don't burn hair up. So the length on this one is sitting kind of long. I am 5'3" for reference, and it comes to my boobs, so it's sitting at around like 24-26 inches or something. So definitely a good length. The density on it is pretty good. It's probably about 150%. This is all the hair to the front. Definitely note to you guys, I did get some shedding with this. I'm still getting some shedding with this. So this is definitely, this one's definitely going to be a shedder. I didn't really get too much tangling with that, so that was good. The texture of this hair I am kind of here for. It's like a mix between a yaki and a very, very light silky. So the texture of it feels pretty good actually, which I was surprised about. Based on the shedding, it's not necessarily coming off as an everyday unit. I think if I had gotten it in a natural color and there wasn't this much shedding, I absolutely would say it's an everyday unit. This one was definitely super easy to style. Oh my lord. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and say the shedding is a little bit excessive, and I'm not sure if that's because of the color, but honey, the shedding's kind of taking it away from me. It's just not doing it for me. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one first con is going to be the cap size. Like, are we making kid-friendly units right now, because this is what this cap size is feeling like. This cap size, honey, I feel like it's too small. There's no stretch, so that's probably my biggest con when it comes to this unit. And then my second con is going to be, just like y'all saw, the shedding that I'm getting. Like every time that, now that I'm running my hands through it, it's not crazy amounts of hair coming out, but it's definitely strands every time I run my fingers through it. So I'm not here for the shedding at all. I mean, and honestly, other than that, I don't think I have any other cons when it comes to this unit, which I'm kind of surprised about. I figured because it's a new company that I haven't seen, they're probably not messing with Sensational, Outre, Bobbi Boss's standards, but I feel like they're coming kind of close, y'all. It's a little bit of competition. You're not there yet, Laude & Co., but you're almost there. So let's just jump into the pros of this unit. So my first pro is going to be, I feel like the color for this unit was executed very well. It's like a very dark brown right here, almost kind of like black, but very naturally blended into this like blonde vibe situation, and then these like lighter blondes going throughout. I feel like the color was beautiful. I like the parting space, the density. I think the curl pattern is really pretty. As a whole, I think based on the price point, I possibly would pick this one up again, and I definitely would recommend you picking it up if you are somebody who has a smaller size head, because I feel like this one will definitely be a hit for you. But definitely, like I said, just know the shedding, tingling wasn't too bad. I feel like I would like to try it again in like a natural color and see how I'm feeling about it. But as a whole, this company, all right, y'all definitely do your thing with this one. So that's pretty much all I would say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.